heart of Wengen, where the echoes play. Mystic shadows dance as the twilight fades. Whispers of the mountains call me near. Clad in mist, they hold my deepest fears. Chalets stand like sentinels, stoic and bold. Stories of the ancients in their wooden folds. Umbral secrets in the alpine breeze, where the heart finds solace beneath the trees. Oh, Wengen, in your arms I lose my way, guided by the stars where the spirits sway. Rushing rivers sing their lullabies in tune, in the mystic valleys beneath the silver moon. As snowflakes whisper tales of love untold, beneath the watchful peaks so grand, so old. Every step I take is a dance with the past, in this enchanted village where memories last. Through cobbled streets I wander, I roam. Each path leads to the mountains, my timeless home. With every breath I inhale the dreams in the Swiss embrace. Nothing's as it seems. Oh, Wengen, in your arms I lose my way, guided by the stars where the spirits sway. Rushing rivers sing their lullabies in tune, in the mystic valleys beneath the silver moon. With the twilight glow setting the sky ablaze, I chase the fleeting moments lost in a haze. In the echo of the laughter, the silence of the night, Wengen cradles my longing in its gentle light. Here's to the laughter, the rain on the peaks, to echoes of legends and the heart that seeks. Through frail paths of dreams, under watchful eyes, I find my way home in these mountain skies. Oh, Wengen, in your arms I lose my way, guided by the stars where the spirits sway. Rushing rivers sing their lullabies in tune, in the mystic valleys beneath the silver moon.